Hello guys, and welcome to Epic Mentorship. In today's video I want to share with you how to change the language of Microsoft Office. So you can start from any of the products. For example, we can take on Microsoft Word, and once we open it we can see that this is the so we'll click on any of the sample pages. So let's say we're clicking on this to open one of the templates. So once we want to change the language, we can just come over to file over here and just come all the way to options, and you can come to language over here. Right now you can see the most preferred language is English. Okay, you can check to see how what you can, but then you can add additional languages from office.com. You can install another language, so you can just click on this to install. Okay, so you just select any language of your choice. Let's say we'll go with Hindi, so and install. Make sure you're connected to the internet because it's going to take you to microsoft.com to office.com. okay, so you can see install the Hindi language pack for 64-bit Office. So you just download over here. You can see it downloading. Once it has finished downloading the language, you can click to open the file and you can just wait for it to install. Okay, so it has finished the download, so we can just close this and you can check back again. Okay, so it has just installed. So all you need to do again is to activate that. You can just come all the way to file, come to options, and you can come to language and you can see Hindi over here. So once you select this, you can set as preferred language and it's going to overtake everything and it's going to go back to Hindi as a language. All right, so you can do that on all the apps, on all the Microsoft products. For example, you can open PowerPoint, and when you try to open anything, let's say we'll go to options also, and you can come to language and you can still see Hindi. You can enable it and it will take over everything as your own default language. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how to download and install a different language on Microsoft Office. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly remember to give it a thumbs up and remember to hit the like and subscribe button and even the notification key to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I will see you in my next video. Bye.